Hey guys, I'm going to show you how you can get started with Alibaba Dropshipping and what exactly it is. Then I'm also going to show you step by step how it works, how you can get started yourself, and then examples of what you can do so that you can make money with dropshipping online. If you're interested, keep watching. And make sure to subscribe to this channel and click the bell notification. Now let's just dive in, starting off with what exactly is dropshipping. So dropshipping is a form of retail business where the center accepts customer orders but does not keep goods sold in stock. For example, let's say that I'm selling this microphone in my store. Normally, I would buy these in stock, so that when a customer buys the microphone, I can then ship out that product to the customer right away. But with dropshipping, you don't do that. With dropshipping, you set up to store your list of products, which in that case could be this microphone. Instead of having that stock and shipping that one out to the customer, you simply put into details from your customer into the supplier, in this case, Alibaba. They will then directly send out that product to the customer. I'll show you what that looks like. So that looks like this. So we've got the customer that goes to your dropshipping store. They then go out and buy a product. The supplier will then directly ship out the product to the customer, meaning that you don't have to spend hundreds or even $1,000 on your stock. When someone then goes ahead and buys that product, the supplier will take care of all of it. So basically how this works in 4 steps is that you add the products you would like to sell from Alibaba. So let's say that you can buy the product that you're selling for $5 from the supplier. So pretty much Alibaba, you then set a price with a markup. Let's say that this microphone will cost you $10 on Alibaba. You didn't go out and sell it on your own dropshipping store for maybe $20 or $25 or even $30. And that is how you can make a profit. So when you receive an order, you pay for that product at wholesale prices. And the Alibaba seller ships the order directly to your customer. Once again, you don't need a stock. The supplier will take care of that. So this is not accurate. So Alibaba is pretty much a huge retail platform where you can buy pretty much anything. Are you looking for a watch? You can put on type in watch. And there you go, you'll find a ton of watches that you can buy. Are you looking for a necklace? There you go, wait, you can buy it. You can pretty much buy anything on this platform, which also means that you can dropship with any product by using Alibaba, which is great. So once again, to sum this up, you've got a customer that goes to your store, they go out and buy a product, didn't put in their details on Alibaba, and Alibaba suppliers will ship it out directly to the customer, which is where you can make a profit pretty much. This is really important because when doing drop shipping, you need to make sure to sell a product where you can make a profit. First of all, you must choose a niche. For example, when you go to Alibaba, you'll find all sorts of products. Let me just show you whether it's very important to choose a product within a specific niche. Or what you can do, there are 2 ways you can do this. You can do a one-product store, meaning that in your store, you are only selling one product and name says it all. Or you can set up a niche store, which is based about specific products within a specific category. For example, if you're doing light computer stuff, which I don't recommend with drop shipping, but let's just say that you could sell a laptop, a keyboard, a microphone, a mouse pad, and stuff like that within one store. But you cannot sell a laptop and then a random, let's say light stand, a tripod, a camera, or just random stuff that doesn't really work together. It's not related on one store. I wouldn't recommend doing that. So things to think about, like I just said, no brands, fakes, or knockoffs. So when doing drop shipping, I don't recommend you do fake Gucci stuff, fake Samsung, fake Apple stuff that is not even illegal. And it's not recommended because it doesn't work well, just simply don't do it. Then when doing drop shipping, it's really important to have e-packet delivery because that comes with cheap and free shipping. So normally when doing drop shipping with some kind of packages, the e-packet delivery might not be available and the prices will go high because this shipping method is not available. So make sure go ahead and choose a product that has this way of delivery. Then also make sure that it has over 300 orders. So on Alibaba, you find so many products, it's really important to make sure that the product is actually reliable and that you can actually sell that to your customers and give them a good experience because otherwise they're not going to be satisfied. They'll never buy from you again. And then your dropshipping store is just going to die out. So make sure you go ahead and pay attention to that as well. Then what you could do is go with low prices with high margins. So when doing dropshipping, it's all about the margin you can get. You'll often see people on YouTube talking about how to make, let's say, 50K or 100K on dropshipping in revenue, but it's all about the gross profit. Like how much money can you actually get to keep? That's all that matters. So your bottom line, if you're going to do that, well, pricing with high margins are going to be the key so that you can make more money. You can also take a look at the product photos, which is really important because if you're going to do drop shipping, for example, I'm just going to click on a random product. Let's say this one, you can scroll down and you'll see the product photos that are available. So if I just click right here and then click right there, these are the product photos, which you can then save and use on your dropshipping store. So make sure you go ahead and to take a look at the product photos. If there aren't like good photos available, but you still want to go with the product, you could technically just buy the product once and then start making your own photos. That's a quick solution to that problem in case there is one. All right, so how do you start your own shop? I do recommend Shopify. So Shopify is a great platform that allows you to build a shop. Pretty simple. Like it's a pretty simple platform, especially for beginners. That is really good. Then you're going to need product descriptions. You're going to need a delivery time on the shop with the delivery price. I do recommend doing free shipping. If you don't want to do free shipping, you could just let's say you're going to sell the product for $9 with let's say $5. Shipping, I do recommend just selling it for $14 with free shipping. Because the psychological thing about that is that people like free things. And when I see free shipping, that looks better than if there were to pay for a product with let's say $5 shipping, then you're going to do the fulfillment. Now, this is really important. You can do that manually or you can use Overload. So Overload is a platform that pretty much does the fulfillment for you or just a way to set it up automatically. So what to do when you get a sell? Drop shipping with Alibaba works similarly to any regular drop shipper. So when you receive an order, you purchase the item on Alibaba, and then you enter the customer's name and shipping address. And the Alibaba seller handles direct. So it goes from your store to Alibaba, to the customer. Like I just explained already, getting back to that fulfillment, you can do it manually or you can use Overload. So Overload is a software like a website or an extension as well that you can use to set this up automatically. So if you go to their website, which is just Overload, go to drop shipping, you can see that you can start your store. And you can use this to do drop shipping. So probably what you can do with this is import products, set up the shipping. You've got a lot of stuff going on here. So what you can do is start for free. They also have a paid plan, however. I just recommend getting started for free. What you can do right here. So pretty much how this works is that it allows you to import products to your store, to download product photos, to then put those on your own store. And just all of these things. So also shipping, fulfillment, stuff like that is all included on this software. Once again, I'll leave a link to death material for this one in the description down below as well. So these 6 steps of getting started with drop shipping on Alibaba are pretty simple. You choose a dropshipping niche for your business. You find dropshipping suppliers. Here's how you can do that. So if you go to Alibaba, you put on go to the product that you want to start selling. Maybe it is this one right here, which is just a random one. You can then click on contact supplier on the right-hand side. I bet that most of the suppliers already know what dropshipping is, and they're probably doing it a lot with other people as well. So if you reach out to them right there, you can easily set up a deal, explain that you're going to do drop shipping, and they will then pretty much ship out all of your orders directly to the customer. You can also negotiate pricing and stuff like that. So that's where you can do it. Now next up, step number 3 is creating your online store. Once again, I do recommend setting it up with Shopify. So you're going to sell a specific product for let's say $20, you're going to buy that for let's say $5. On Alibaba, you pocket the $15 difference, of course. There's going to be shipping, there's going to be processing, unlike Shopify, Overload cost, all of that. However, you're going to make a profit. That's the goal with dropshipping itself. So that is pretty much how dropshipping works with Alibaba, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like on this video. That really helps me out in YouTube algorithm and would help reach this video to more people. So please do that. Subscribe if you want to see more. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.